spent more than 40 years training in traditional martial arts systems of different kinds. I won't claim to be an expert in all of them or maybe in any of them, but I've done a lot of training in martial arts. And what we've put together here boils those things down to their essentials. There may be good things in other systems, but it takes too long to get to the point where you really can protect yourself. My wife trains in modern Hapkido. Both of my sons have trained in modern Hapkido. I want them to be able to take care of themselves. They don't happen to be here with me today, but I care. I love my family. I want them to be okay. And I'm not going to go send them to go through a traditional system where they spend years training, and when they're done, they can't really protect themselves. And I look at attacks, I've probably got 500 martial arts books at home. I probably have 1,000 martial arts tapes of all different kinds of systems. And I look at those tapes and I look through those books and I said, if I'm going to teach somebody I care about something so they can protect themselves, I'm going to teach them the core techniques in modern Hapkido. I'm not going to walk them through one of these other systems because it won't keep them alive and it won't keep them safe, and that's what we're about.